Your Majesty, you haven't got to work yet. I don't know what his problem is. Just eating himself up.
Daddy! Good morning, Daddy.
This is heaven, paradise, paradise. This is heaven, paradise. Woo. Paradise. This is heaven, paradise. Oh yeah. You're looking for all the good things of life. You can find it right here. You can find it right here. Woo-hoo. If love is one thing that money can buy, money can buy. Yeah, you will find it right here. You will find it right here. Woo. And the love in this paradise, in this paradise, paradise. Woo-hoo. Yeah, love in this paradise, paradise.
Dad is becoming more of a sadist as the days go by. Seriously, Mom, this is getting out of hand. We need to do something.
Do what? My dear, what do you want us to do? Personally, I'm sick and tired of his attitude. It has gotten me up to this place. I'm tired.
He won't allow any of us to work in his company. He will still not be cheerful to us as a father. Mom, I don't get it, honestly. Is this any of our fault? Is it our fault?
It is not our fault, my dear. No, it is not. We have even told him the solution to his problem, but he wouldn't do any of that. So, what else do you want us to do? What?
And the company, Mom? Why are we not allowed close to it?
If you will listen to me, my dear, I'll suggest that you allow him use his hired workers. I'm even glad that he placed you and your siblings on a monthly allocation. That's okay by me. So just cool down. Shebi, you used to say chill. Just calm down, okay?
Yes, Bridget, what is it? What? Let her in.
Your Majesty.
Yes, Obiageli, what is it? Why are you here?
Your Majesty, at least offer me a seat. Let me sit down first.
It's all right. Sit down.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Well, be brief with whatever it is you want to say. I see I have a lot of work to do.
Thank you, sir. Actually, I am here in connection with the money you owed my husband before he died.
What did you just say?
I am sure you heard me, Ezonyano say. My son Ejike just got admission into the university and I do not have enough money. That is why I am here to see what I can get from you. At least to enable him do his registration. Actually, Your Majesty, I have been to the palace and I was told you already left for work. If not that this is important, I wouldn't have bothered to disturb you. Please, Help me so that my son will achieve his dreams.
Are you done?
Yeah, Your Majesty.
First of all, you had the guts to come to my office to tell me that I, Izunyanose, was owing your late husband before he died. Is that not an insult? Secondly, you also had the guts to tell me that your son gained admission into the university. That's an act of mockery.
I'm sorry, Onyeze. I don't understand why you're taking it this way.
Well, you just want to make me know that you have a son and that I do not have one. In fact, that's insult number 2. For your information, Obegedi, your husband gave me that land as a collateral for the loan he took. That land became mine the moment he was unable to repay the loan. Huh? Are you so stupid that you do not know you can't make any claims on the land?
That wasn't the case, Onyeze. My husband told me that...
You now call me a liar also. That's another insult. How dare you, woman? Now get out of my office.
Your Majesty.
Get out. Get out of my office.
Onyeze.
Get out.
Hi. Tamara, you are really telling me. You are really trying.
You don't be do nothing. You can't do more than a dead fowl. Now close your teeth there, they mad.
Really?
Yes, really. You don't know before. Now today you know. See if you lose that, you go query. Try it. Just touch me, then you will see why the men in this town fear me. In the grace.
Tamara, it is really very obvious to me that this boy stupid lifestyle of yours has really gotten into your head. But I will remove it from this.
Leave your own, man. Leave my own. I take concern you.
What is
Leave your life.
Why are you people shouting? Don't you know that the palace staff will be hearing you? Eh? Are you the only one sleeping in this palace?
I wonder.
Why must you shout?
I wonder. Cat and dog. What is this time around?
Mother, can you imagine? This son of yours went to my bedroom, messed up my closet just because she's looking for her face cap. Tell me, Tamara, since when did I start wearing face caps? Or since when did I start having the features of a man? Since when?
Oh, Mila, you want to tell me say you know they admired? I know say they admired at my face cap. Since I don't know. Oh, Mila.
Mother, did you hear the lame excuse she is making for messing up my closet? Oh, Tamara!
Wait a minute. So this heated argument is because of ordinary face cap?
Come on, must 2 of you fight and quarrel? Must you? Why? She caused it, Mother. Tamara here caused it.
Momsy, now argue, we argue. We know they fight. If I fight this one, she go turn black. Now mother go murder her.
Tamara, come on,
Tamara,
it's okay now, it's okay.
Let's say madness, you worry, they mad.
Have you forgotten that she's your elder sister? Can you imagine? Just wait until that comes back.
Oh,
I will deal with you, Tamara.
Papa, Piki,
I will
shut up. Do yourself.
What madness? What is going on here?
Greetings, Father.
Oh, keep your stupid greetings to yourselves. What's going on here?
Father, thank God you are back. Please, I beg of you, do help me talk to this son of yours not to ever go to my closet again, because if she does, if you do, Tamara, if you try, Tamara...
What's the meaning of that? When did I ever tell you I had a son?
That I...
Will shut your mouth. And now, that goes for everyone. Let this be the last time I will come back to this palace and hear you making noise like stupid market women. Nonsense.
This is hell in paradise. Paradise. This is hell in paradise.
If you lose that, you go query and then push me. Then come from there. Idiot. I'm you water. You sure say my bad boy you so? Sure say no come on here, go London, me go find your papa. Idiot. Yeah, she did.
No, seriously, Mama, I don't understand. What is that man feeling like? What is he feeling like? No, Mama, explain to me. What is he feeling? See, Mama, I don't care whether he's the king or not. I will just go to his palace or his office and spoil things. What nonsense is that? Eh? What is he even saying?
It hasn't gotten to that.
No, Mama, it has gotten to that, oh. It has gotten to that. How will I cope?
But why is Zonyanus living this mean and wicked? I don't just understand. We all know that Papa sold this piece of land to him. And he just paid a little amount of money and promised to pay the remaining. So why is he not changing this whole story?
I'm sure he's pained by the fact that he doesn't have a male child to take after him.
Mama, please wait. I don't understand. Male child to take after him. Is it our fault? Is it our fault that he doesn't have a male child? Whether he likes it or not, he will release that money. I don't want to miss my chance of going to university. What is this now? I'll just...
Where are you going?
This is not nice at all.
Where is he going?
Mama, leave him, let him just go. This is not nice at all. Okay, how is Ejike now going to complete his registration and clearance? Okay, and this also means if eventually I get admission, I won't also clear. Mama, this is not nice at all. I need to go and see that man.
See who?
Zonyanusli, of course.
Bamba. Don't even try. Do not go to that man's place. So.
Mama, why?
I don't know the why. But all I know is that that king is evil.
So you're not trying to say we should forget about the money? Is that it?
Chiamaka, please don't go there. And do not disobey me. Please.
I heard you.
Seriously, Teresa, I don't know what else to do. My husband's hatred for my daughters and I is getting worse by the day. Sometimes I just think maybe it will get better. But what do you see? It gets worse by the day. I don't understand.
Honestly, I feel your frustration. Though I understand your husband's pain.
Of course, we all understand his pain. We do. See, we have asked him to go and get another wife that might give him a male child. He wouldn't do that. Okay, you know, and the elders in council, all of them have been suggesting to him, all this, go and get another wife, go and get another. But he wouldn't just do that. What else does he want us to do? Kill ourselves? No. That's not possible.
Maybe he doesn't want you to feel bad by getting married to someone else. I've always told you that.
Come on, Teresa. But you know that's not the reason. Eh? You know how long I've been asking him to get another wife. Okay, my daughters and I have asked him to go and get another wife. Even if he wants to get 2, 3, 10, 1 million, it doesn't matter. As long as we have our peace. Simple.
My queen, I will advise you take it easy. Everything will be fine.
Oh, only God knows when that will be. I don't just understand. What else can we do?
But he still eats from your kitchen, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's an indication that it has not gone out of control. Please calm down. I believe he will come back to you.
I hope so.
Oh my goodness, you're so funny.
You know, I feel so glad when I see you laugh this hard. I mean, it makes me feel I'm doing my job as a man in your life. You know, you're very special.
Really?
Of course.
So tell me, how special am I?
Well, let me say, words will elude me to explain it right now. But sincerely, you are the very definition of the special one. And I keep praying always that God will give us the grace to be real to each other.
Oh, sweethearts, you know I have been real to you. Very real to you.
Yeah, no doubts, but heaven bears me witness that I have been more real to you.
You're so sweet.
So tell me, How is your father and your siblings?
They are fine. Just my father.
What about him?
What else? Same issue. He yells at us as if we are not his children.
I can understand. You know, I saw him yesterday at the bank. I greeted him, but he did not answer me. Not a word.
You don't say. Can you imagine? Even in the bank, he cannot comport himself.
You know, I've been thinking.
What?
I've been thinking about telling him about my intentions. I mean, our marriage. I don't know if he will approve of it.
Oh, come on, sweetheart, he will. That would be very nice, honestly. He'll be very happy. Yes. He'll be very happy that one of his hated daughters is leaving his sight.
Has it gotten to that?
It's even worse. Yes. That palace is best described as a beautiful hell. Seriously.
I think we should go inside and discuss further. I'm interested in this topic.
Aww, you are so bad.
Come on. Well, no doubt your father's palace is far better than this humble abode of mine. But here lies your destiny. And your peace is deposited here. I think it's time for us to walk towards our endless happiness.
I am humbled by your courage and maturity. I love you so much. And I promise to be yours forever.
They play me the tape fast. Play me the matter. Huh?
Why are you doing like this?
I don't understand. How?
Babe, look at me. I'm your friend. Babe, I dey act like girl. Babe, where sabi? You're always doing this tomboy thing. Where is it leading you to?
Stop. I don't understand. Which level now? Which they bring this matter now? Babe, free me, Ojari. You cannot live your life and leave mine as well. Let me run my package the way I want.
You
also,
don't get it.
No, I don't want to get it now. Play me the tape. Yes.
No, Alasha. Now your life. Not my life.
You go talk or no talk?
You do. That reminds me. There is this jewelry my sister came back from Dubai with. Beautiful ones, gold chain, gold necklace, gold earrings. But you don't sit down. Inside they open your teeth, they shine like this.
So, Alpha, you get the pictures?
Of course not. I think it should be on my phone. Just hold on, let me see.
Marcia.
That's it. You see them? That's the earring.
See this one. Now this one I like.
You like this one?
Yes.
Now your money now. No,
how much be this one?
This one here, the one you just put. Okay, this one is 100k. The earring below is 100. You know waiting. The whole package now 300,000 naira.
Small thing. Why the price high like this now? No, it's too high. Oh. What's up now?
The baby biscuit you won't go buy. Now gold be this, so pure gold.
I know.
Original.
But it's too high. Just say never had your money. You know say you too like money.
Ah.
Yes, now.
Now you hate money. Give my phone, I beg. See, are you interested?
I'm interested though, but see, my papa never pay us the monthly allowance they give us. I mean, not get that kind of amount for my account. I want to run this level now.
They ask me, that one concern you. But you know waiting, they want your level very sharp because this thing will soon come out from my hand. People they interested for the stuff.
Who be people? Kudani, who
if
be
you don't want to, I go sell am.
Who they be? What's be their name?
Don't worry, I go run the level. Don't worry.
Alright.
Dad, you really need to live on what I can buy to me. Well, I guess the food must be so delicious. Let me join you.
What do you think you're doing?
I want to eat with you.
Meaning what?
Since when did it become a crime to eat with my father?
Did I ask you to join me?
Father, why are you doing this? Why are you doing this to us? Dad, the way you're treating us is not nice. Especially to me. Regardless of the fact that I'm trying so hard to be your favorite daughter.
For you to have said what you just said, it shows that you're actually retarded.
Dad!
What makes you think you're different from your mother and your sisters?
Is it my fault that I do not have a brother?
Go and ask your mother. Get out of my presence. Leave my presence. I have every reason to be surprised. That's what you get when you live amongst women.
Anything you plan to go reaper. This is hell in paradise. Paradise. This is hell in paradise. Paradise. This is hell in paradise. Oh yeah. You're looking for all the good things of life. You can find it right here. You can find it right here. Woo-hoo. If love is one thing that money can buy, money can buy. Yeah, you will find it right here. You will find it right here. And the love in this paradise, in this paradise, paradise.
What did he tell you?
What did
He tell you?
Mother, I don't know. Besides, I'm not in the mood to talk.
Well, if you're not in the mood to talk, then go to your room and we'll call it a day.
Here! Oh!
Did you just say at me? Mother, did she just say at me?
Tamara!
Mom, what's up, man? What's up, Mom? See, look at this one. Mom, what's up? What's up?
That's saying...
As in, age mate, what's up? Or as in what?
Can you imagine?
Hey, Auntie Gurugu. What is wrong with me asking Mom what's up?
Tamara, why did you have to barge in on us like that?
Nothing. No, nothing. Wait, I dey show back. 1 minute, I beg. I dey come. I dey show back.
Mother, I am sure Tamara is up to something.
Will you shut up? Keep quiet, Chika.
Mommy, what have I done?
Well, we're not asking you what it is between you and your father. And you are reluctant to tell us. Now you are talking about Tamara. Just keep quiet.
But you cannot talk in peace in this house. I will not be problem.
Take my own away and then bring somebody else.
Nollywood should just make a movie about our movie. Honestly. It's your family.
Whatever you sow, one way. The clock could they count, the time of they come on. Onye na Kenya no onye begide ni bejana no wana. Eche teka no onye eba ineche no akwe manu no teka seno no.
These children are daring me.
No matter who I be, no matter who you be, we all in a human being, I be or disagree.
Which one of you stole my money?
Stole?
I just asked the question. Which of you stole my money?
What money, Dad?
You're asking.
Dad, we didn't steal your money.
I'm going to ask you again. Which of you stole my money?
We didn't touch your money.
What money are you talking about?
One of your useless daughters went into my room and stole the money I kept in my briefcase.
What?
Me, I'm not useless.
You shut your mouth before I slap the tooth out of you. Is it not obvious you're the one who took it downstairs?
Bossy. You don't see me for your room before. I don't eat it personally.
Your Majesty, maybe you misplaced this money.
So what do you call me now? A careless man?
No,
Isn't it?
Not at all, Your Majesty. But one can always misplace money.
Yes, Father, exactly. I could help you find it. Yes.
No. You all do not know what I am capable of doing. You don't. But don't worry. I will deal with you all.
Did I if you take his money?
Mother, you know I can't do such a thing.
Mother, we can never touch Daddy's money. We did not touch his money.
What's now? Why are you waiting?
Yeah.
Yeah, I understand.
Did you?
Which kind matters this one? How you asking this kind of question? I need a person money, I know it.
My friend, did you take the money or not? That is what Mother is asking you. Or did you not hear when Father said he is going to deal with every one of us here?
Oh, my God, I'm as you.
Tamara!
You go shut down your mouth.
Tamara, you see you, wait. When are you actually coming to fight? Oh, please.
Young man, did I hear you right?
Sir, you heard me right. Sir, give me the money you are owing my father. It's as simple as that. What is there to understand? Give me the money. I need it. I need to use it. I'm not intimidated with the way you're looking at me. If you like, look at me from head to toe, kill me with your eye. But what I know is that I'm not leaving this office without that money.
I'm the one you're talking to in that manner? Hitting your hand on my table? Do you want me to kill you?
You kill me. You cannot kill me. I am Ejike. You can go ahead and intimidate my mother, intimidate my sister. You cannot kill me. I am Ejike. Everybody in this world is dead. We are just waiting for the day all of us will just drop dead one by one. Both of us, we are dead. You don't know.
I see.
sir, you haven't seen anything yet, though. 1 naira, 5 naira thing you haven't seen. I need them. So why you behaving like this now? For no reason, you're just wicked. Give me the money you're owing my father now. Eh? Give me the money. I just told you I got admission into the university. I need to use it. Give me the money to do clearance and registration. You're being wicked with my own father's money. Why? So I'm talking to you. It's honest, I'm talking to you. I just suddenly called up. Talk to me now. I need the money. Why are you behaving like this? Or is it my fault that you don't have a male child? It's none of our fault. So go and discuss that one with your God. Place the anger on your God, not my family. I need the money. I need it now.
The truth. Who amongst you stole money from the king's room?
No, my queen, you know I cannot do that, I swear.
Neither would I do such, my queen. I can't even imagine it.
Really?
Stay with me, my queen. I saw my late mother's grave. I didn't do it.
Really? Since 3 of you did not do it, who then did? Probably a ghost came in and stole the money, isn't it?
But my queen, you know we don't enter the king's room except we're about cleaning it. And we clean it in a group. And since yesterday we cleaned it, we haven't gone back there.
Okay, no problem. You know me. I have my own way of finding out the truth. If I find out the truth, I will handle the matter my own way. You better tell the truth now before it's too late.
This is hell in paradise. Paradise. This is hell in paradise.
Your Majesty, are you not going to offer me a seat? State your mission and state it urgently. I have a lot of work to do.
Okay. Onyeze, I came in my capacity as the Onowu of Ifitane Kingdom to remind you of the Nwokabia ritual.
What do you take me for, no? A dullard?
I don't understand what you mean by that, Your Majesty.
What do you think? That I'm having forgetful issues?
No, but Your Majesty, I remember that the last time we opened this topic with you in the palace, you dismissed it as if it's something that you don't want to discuss.
Oh no, enough of that. I am fully aware of the Nwokabia rituals. I don't need to be reminded.
Is everything all right, Your Majesty?
How can everything be well or no when I have no son? And here I am, people are telling me about the Nwokabia rituals. Oh no, tell me, if you were in my shoes, would you be happy?
Your Majesty, I feel your pain. But I know I have told you countless number of times to solve your problem. Why are you not thinking of taking another wife? Or even taking 2 wives? You never can tell when these new women will conceive and give you not just a son, but sons.
Oh no, thank you for your advice. I want to be left alone.
Your Majesty, why are you doing this? Why are you not interested in solving your problem? Your Majesty, you are a king in Africa. And in Africa, despite all the efforts made by the missionaries to kill it, it has refused to die. Because indeed, it is our way of life. A king in Africa can marry as many wives as he wishes. As many wives as he can control. Ezonyuke of Nemo married more than 10 women. And they came together to give him oceans of sons and daughters. Some of them now lawyers, some of them medical doctors, some of them engineers. Professionals in different areas of life, scattered in practically all the countries of the world. You are a king like that revered man of Nemo, people. Why are you not interested in doing exactly the same thing to solve your problem?
Thank you for the lecture, no. You may leave.
Your Majesty, I'm saying
get out!
I do not need a soothsayer to tell me that you were the one who stole the money. But it's something I do not understand. Since you are always bold enough to fight your seniors, Why weren't you bold enough to tell father that you are a petty thief? You were the one who stole father's money. Why?
I will not join issues with you. Are you not Chika again? The one that doesn't mind her business. If you claim you're woman enough, Mami Water, what tell your popsi saying Mami collect the money? No, go and tell
And what will you do if I tell father that you were the one who stole the money?
They hold you. Go lose guard now. You go query. Stupid.
You know, you always act like you're intelligent. Tamara, can I tell you something? You are an incompetent fool. Now let me tell you something. The money you took belongs to a king, not just our father. If you do not bring out that money, I am sure you also know that he has black powers. He will deal with you, just like he already said. Stupid girl, she-male.
Pops, if you find out saying me thief that money. No, Fiti. I beg you. Kachi, how far now? I hold the scholarly. Where we want meet now? Ma collect the level.
They all swore they didn't do it. So I now wonder who must have stolen the money.
Honestly, Mom, this is very strange. Honestly.
Mother, there is no doubt that Samara took that money. I mean, someone should better talk to her. Because I am not ready to suffer for anybody's crime. I mean, I have questioned her. I also threatened her, but I am sure we all know how hardened she is. Mother, you have to rise and make her confess to that, because if she does not, how will let loose in this house?
Have you lost your mind? Ejike, answer me! Have you lost your mind?
Mama, calm down. That is the only way we can get that money. Mama, the way you're sounding, I think that's what is giving that man the impression that we are afraid of him. I am not afraid of that man at all. I am not afraid of him. He will provide that money.
What do you know, Ejike? Ezonyanusi is an evil man. Ejike, please. I do not want to lose you. Please.
Mama, you will not lose me. I am Ejike. Ejike, you will not lose me.
Now, listen. I do not want you to ask for that money again. God will provide for us.
Seriously, I don't understand why humans have this mentality. Why would they wait for God to come and solve a problem that humans can solve? How else do I explain that? Mama, heaven help those who help themselves. For the only way you can see reason as reason is for you to reason reasonably. Mama, reason.
Can you hear what is coming out from your brother's mouth? Can you hear the rubbish? Please, talk to your brother Chamaka before I do something that I will regret.
Ejike, why playing with your life? Why would you go and confront such an evil man? Are you sure you're okay with are you with your senses? Are you okay?
You're asking me, butterfly. You butterfly, asking me if I'm okay.
You're calling me butterfly, B? You know you will not want to hear. It's only your own that you want to do. Continue. You will not want to listen to the elderly ones. Continue. Keep doing your mind.
Yeah, man. Butterfly, you want to instill fear in me.
Tell me, did you steal the money?
Oh! Momsy, which kind of question be this one now? What else do you want me to tell you? I don't steal money. Have you seen me going to Popsy's room before?
What are you saying? Are you insinuating that the money grew wings and flew away? The money disappeared just like that?
Are you expecting an answer? You want my answer you? Madam, you respect yourself. People lose money. People misplace money. What are you talking about? Maybe he misplaced his money. Have you thought of that?
So you want to fight me?
Madam, relax, relax.
Oh, mother! The fact that this thing here is denying that she never took the money is driving me nuts. What is all this? Tamara, you took that money. You are a liar and you know it. Better bring it out to me. Because if you do not, if you do the coin, I will lose it for you. See this one. See this one. See this one. Try it. Last.
She be not here tomorrow, Johnny yesterday. And today now you go settle the matter. And today now you go
Izonyanosi, will you take this insult? Who is this boy to walk into my office to say all the rubbish he said?
Whatever you saw,
Greetings, Father.
What are you doing here?
It may interest you to know that Tamara was the one who stole your money. She made it very obvious. Dad, why don't you call her and tell her to return the money she stole from you?
You get out of this place.
Dad?
I just said get out.
Dad, I just brought a very vital information for you. Thought you'd be telling me thank you.
I suspect Princess Tarama.
Me too. Why her, if I may ask?
With her kind of lifestyle, I believe she's the one who could do such.
Exactly. You are both wrong. You just don't judge someone by their looks or behavior. She might not be the one.
Then who did you?
God forbid. You know I cannot do such. But I think that is not the main problem we have in this palace.
What are you talking about?
I'm talking about the hatred the king has over the queen and the princesses. Of course we know it's not their fault that the king has no son. So I wonder why he could be hating on them.
I cannot understand because you're not in my shoes. He will not love to leave his throne for anyone.
Even at that, it doesn't worth it.
Had he been the king is ready to have a second wife, I, Shidebere, will be ready for that. And I will equally give him that which he desires.
See this one.
What is going on there? I thought the queen gave you specific instructions on what she wants you to do.
Yes, my princess.
So what are you doing there discussing? Is that part of the brief?
Yes, sorry, my princess.
Young man, go straight to the point. Tell me, why are you here?
Alright, Your Majesty, I came with a proposal for you. And it's just...
And who told you we are interested in your proposal?
I'm sorry, Your Majesty, it's just,
I'm not interested. By the way, are you not that fool that is sleeping with my daughter? The one my daughter runs after? And
Your Majesty,
am I sure she's not the one who asked you to come and present this proposal?
Your Majesty, Oge and I are dating. And I am not taking advantage of her in any way. I believe the future is bright for both of us.
I knew that was a lie you were going to say. I sure know you young boys of nowadays and how you take advantage of people. Like I said, am I sure she's not the one who asked you to bring this proposal?
It is not what you think, Your Majesty.
Get out of my office. And don't step your feet into this compound again.
Your Majesty?
Get out! Nonsense. Proposal that I don't even know if he can write the English properly.
Man, babe, this level pure. I don't know say you fine like this when I see her for picture.
I talk and I tell you say you like him. I correct good, I know they feel her.
But I know like this one take. It's an like
See, no, you try it like this, so now God be this, so. Not be small money be this. No, they worry you.
I dash you.
But, babe, I be want to ask you something. How be you tell me say you no get money to purchase all these things? How come you dey get money now to buy all this my stuffs? Wetin happen? How you take get am?
I don't understand. It will not be this scolari. I don't give you. Still they ask me how to get her. That will not concern you.
Baby, I mean I be your babe now. Tell me wetin dey happen. How you take get the money?
Samara. What was that?
Nothing.
Nothing.
I say nothing and nothing as in English language, nothing. Which I don't understand for inside. You see, ask me nothing. That's why you take the do. Until I don't correct your head now.
Baby, I'm sorry.
He insulted and embarrassed me.
I said I'm sorry. Please.
You know, I didn't like the idea when you brought it up.
You're right. But it was all for the best. I never knew he would be angry with you.
I'm sorry to say this, babe, but your father, the king, is a sadist. I didn't believe it until my encounter with him today. God.
I told you. Now you see what you have been going through. All because he doesn't have a son. We have done everything. We are tired. My mom and siblings advised him to get a second wife, to try out his luck. But no, he wouldn't do that. Honestly, we are tired.
That's it. I am beginning to wonder how I will cope with such a man as my father-in-law when we eventually get married.
No. Sweetheart, no, don't talk like this. Please. He will change. I believe he will not remain like this forever. Please. The truth is that he believes you are taking advantage of me.
Exactly. But I made it clear to him that there is no such thing. I love you, Oge. And heaven bears me witness that I do. I just pray we can fight through this and be together.
I love you too. It will happen one day. We just have to be optimistic.
Okay.
So, Ogechukwu, you had the guts to send your stupid boyfriend to my office to come and introduce and discuss some silly business I don't even know where he got the idea from. When did that start?
I'm sorry, Dad. It's not what you think.
You shut your mouth. What do you know about what I'm thinking?
Your Majesty, with due respect, I don't like the way you shout at my children. I don't like it.
Defender of the universe. I'll just pretend I didn't hear what you said.
Of course you heard me, Your Majesty.
Besides, I will not be sitting here with you if it's not because of what I wanted to tell you. For your information, I've always paid you people monkey allocation because I don't want my so-called daughters to be broke or running around some silly men begging for money. But one of you decided to defy my authority by going to my room and then stole money from my briefcase. In that case, every monthly allocation stops.
What?
Father!
You heard me right.
Your Majesty.
Yeah, that's what they call me.
But that's
I can't have a bunch of arm robbers in the house.
Dad! Mother, did you hear that? Did you hear what he just said?
What kind of rubbish is this, Nico?
And as for you, I hope you are happy now. Have you seen what you've caused?
Where are you talking to? No, Tamara. Please, where are you talking to? Aquino, where are you talking to?
very stupid.
You're stupid too.
So you say I
You're
cannot
stupid.
talk?
Come and sit down there.
You want to talk
Sit
for
down
me?
there and shut up your mouth.
Enough! It's okay.
Mugu.
Must you shout?
Enough.
Tamara, please. Please, I beg you in the name of God. If you're the one that took that money, please, I beg you, confess.
Steve, they know God.
Please. If he does what he just said now, it's going to be a disaster. Please, my dear sister, please.
Auntie Guru Guru.
I'm beginning thief.
I will try make I respect you. I am trying so hard to respect you. And if you know what is good for you, let it stay that way. What's wrong with you now? Maybe now you take the money, sir.
I mean, you are very, very stupid. You're senseless.
Mugu. Okay.
Look at this idiot.
Okay, please.
She's just talking as if she didn't hear what I just said.
It's okay now.
Eh?
Must you people shout?
If that does what he just said, how are we going to cope in this hard time? And you are here.
Get boyfriend and your boyfriend will give you money. Momsy, make you warn your
Not your mates, they get boyfriend.
warn your girl so. If I'm not trying them, I go change her for now. What time is that? Shut up, I go change her. Warn your girl so. Don't them bring her. I go change her.
Pastor, he is getting worse by the day. My husband will never stop hitting my children and I for something we know nothing about. In fact, as I'm talking to you now, he has withdrawn the monthly allocation he pays my children every month, simply because he says somebody stole his money. In fact, I'm tired. I don't even know what to do anymore.
Your Majesty, you have to take it easy. I truly understand your predicament. I think the time has come for me to visit the palace and pray for the whole family.
No, Pastor, that won't be possible. My husband has a special hatred. He has special hatred for men of God. I thought you knew about it already.
But I believe you can always convince him. Yes, he's your husband. You can always find a way to talk to him. Make him understand that my visit will bring good tidings to the family.
Pastor, I know my husband the king. I knew him then. Even now, I know him better.
Your Majesty, you still have to try. With God, there are no impossibilities.
Pastor, please, I suggest you request to see him. Maybe from there, whatever happens, we can take it off.
I don't think that's a good idea. You see, Your Majesty, no matter what, he's the king. A man in authority. And it is our duty to respect him. Well, visiting him without prior notice will be demeaning. Talk to him first. You know, our God is a God who will always make a way where there seems to be none.
Please, help me talk to your father. My brother needs to commence with his registration and clearance. Else, he will lose his admission. Like I told you, that piece of land was the only land my father had.
Chiamaka, what makes you think that I'm in a better position to tell my father to give you the same money that you were talking about here? Why come to me?
Because I know you're closer to your father than other of your siblings.
Really? You think so?
My princess, I don't just think, I know.
Well, I am sorry to disappoint you. I cannot be of help.
Why?
You see, dear, a lot has been going on in my family. I shouldn't be telling you this, but I do need money too.
my best advice for you is to go home. Don't bother asking me for further clarifications because you won't get them. Save yourself from all the stress. Just go home, okay?
Because last while I don't jump again. Play, cause I don't wake again. Oh no, she be not here tomorrow, jam yesterday. And today now you go settle the matter. And today now you go settle the matter. Konye nemeno wanya pecha palanya. Polonya gonna kolono wanya no kota. Yana kota, wano we. Asimu yana kota, wano we.
So now I can't see one and they run for here.
I'm sorry, my princess.
God don't punish you today.
I'm sorry, my princess.
So keep me my princess. Oh, shut the hell up. If they find we go scratch your back, now this one. This guard, now they scratch your back, I don't get shame. He was not actually scratching my back.
Yes, my princess. She has a serious pain in her back. I was only helping her as my co-worker. Yes, my princess.
I'm here now, they play tape for. No, Wala, now I'm go tell my papa, so now go help me play on the same tape now.
No, my princess, I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. Please don't allow the king know about this. I assure you, my princess, it will not repeat itself again.
Yes, it will not repeat itself again. I'm going to make sure of that.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, wanna ball out. I wanna do frog jump. Wanna jump reach that spot, jump come back. Okay, Maka, I want to see me. Oh yeah, ball out now. Come on, get that for that. Come on, get that there. Stupid. They're down. Oh yeah, run on fast. They jump now. What do they do? You bend down now. Bend down fast. Come on. So you not be fair. You not be fair, Kadi. Like that way. Sweat down fast. Correct. Bring down your back. Bring up your back.
You know, I can't just get my head around it. You mean he stopped paying you and your sister simply because of that?
Yes, baby.
Why are you this mean?
At times I regret having him as a father.
No, babe. Don't say that. God has a reason for making him your father.
What reason could that be? What?
Well, that shouldn't be a problem. Let's forget about that. You know I've always got your back. So don't worry. I will take care of you.
I love you, baby.
You are the best.
Hey, Jay! Sorry. People of God. Look, I am really sorry for barging on you like that, okay?
Ebuka, must you always barge in like this?
I said I'm sorry. Do I need to announce before coming into your house? You're my guy for crying out loud.
Even like that. Even if I'm your guy.
Okay. I am sorry, sir. I am sorry. Greetings, my princess.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
Very well, thank you.
I am fine. I'm good. So how is your sister?
Which of my sisters, precisely?
Princess Chika, of course.
She's fine.
See, to be honest, I must say that she is very beautiful. And I really like her so much. And I don't know if David here has told you about that.
Yes. Yes.
And believe me, I mean every word of it. Yes.
Okay.
So what do you have to say about that?
Well, I'm not Chika, so I can't speak for her.
Okay.
But I'll try my best to make it possible for you guys to meet and talk and get to know each other.
Look, that would be nice, okay? That would be very, very nice. I am grateful, my princess. Thank you very much. And David, I must confess, you have a wonderful wife to be. Trust me.
Well, you can say that 1,000 times over.
No problem. Pastor, carry on. Carry on with your service.
Who's Chama?
Obiageli's daughter.
What for?
She came to ask me to help her talk to you to pay them up their money. The money you're owing them.
Really?
Yes, but I told her I could not be of help.
So what they do now is go around telling people that I'm owing them money.
Is it true? Is it true that you're owing them?
If what is true?
Never mind. I don't want to feed you with lots of nonsense. But Dad, please, promise me that you will continue to pay me my monthly allocation.
What? Is that the rubbish you came here to tell me, interrupting the work I came to do? Get out.
Your Majesty?
Don't provoke me. I said get out.
I should get out. No, I will not get out. What is your problem? What is eating you up? What have I done to deserve this? Thank God you came and married me as a wife. Now you treat me like a housemaid. Or even less. It's not acceptable by me. Did you hear me? I must behave like a mother. Forgive Tamara. Or tell me what else you want me to do. You want us all to die because of you. If it's all about male child, fine. Go out there, get another wife. Have as many male children as you want. 1 million, I don't care. I only need my peace and the life of my children.
You know what, Namaka? You can continue to rant like a fool.